Hi, friends. I'm retired pastor and theologian Papa Dale. Today's Bible Quick is, are you feeling far from God? Oh no. Now I hope to teach you something you might not have known before, but please listen up because you need to be skeptical and check me and any Bible teacher out by comparing what they have to say to what the Bible actually says. So, are you feeling far from God? Let's examine this a little bit. Here is how to draw close to God. Now, it's the same sunshine that melts butter, which hardens clay. People will react out of what's in their own heart. Jesus said, "For out of the abundance of the heart, the mouth speaks, and out of the abundance of the heart, a person acts." If your reaction is to feel further from Christ, your heart may be running on empty, and you need a fill-up. What you probably want is that good feeling of being in the presence of God. Am I right? Well, do not seek after feelings. That's a mirage. Feelings are a byproduct. Did you get that? Feelings are a byproduct. They're a byproduct of behavior. If you seek after a feeling, even if you get it, it won't last. It'll fade more quickly than it came. Seek to do right behavior, and the feelings will come. The order of events must be facts, faith, feelings. Jesus said he loves you and that all things work together for your eternal good. That's the fact. Believe him for it, because he says he will not lie. That's the faith. Then rejoice. Bless the Lord, O my soul, whether you feel like it or not. Keep on rejoicing. The good feelings will come. Now, keep this in mind. It may be that you expect him to do everything. People are lazy. We want God to do everything for us. You must be an active partner in the relationship of the Christian life. Now, here are some things that you can do to draw closer to God. Get saved. That's a no-brainer. Get saved, and then the Spirit of God lives inside you. That's pretty close. Nurture dynamic belief. That means you persist, you trust, you believe, you're determined that that's what you're going to believe all the way to the end of your life. You affirm it, you confess it, you tell him about it, you tell others about it. I believe in Jesus and I'm going to trust him forever. Number 3, increase your commitment to trust. Number 4, work towards living more sanctified. Number 5, increase prayer for yourself and for others. Number 6, thanksgiving and praise for him. Number 7, sing to him. Number 8, fast to silence the flesh. Number 9, read, study, and memorize Scripture. Number 10, do good works in his name. Number 11, volunteer in a nursing home or a mission. Number 12, tell others about Christ. Number 13, listen only to Christian music. Number 14, meditate on his goodness. You can do that really easy in the Psalms. Number 15, tell him you trust his promises. Number 16, ask him to draw closer to you. Any increase in any of these activities will help you. He was either a liar or he told the truth when he said, "You shall seek me and you shall find me when you shall search for me with all your heart." Jeremiah 29:13. Now there are times when God will withdraw his presence to stimulate these behaviors. He may be as unsatisfied in the relationship as you, and he's trying to shake it up a little bit. So get to work. Listen up.